software. I just wanted to get update from other people. Yes, yeah, guys and girls, everyone is welcome. So I'm not sure if a lot of people will be joining us today because I only said this like yesterday, the schedule, but people can watch afterwards. Now everybody is interested in the results, and I've been answering emails uh, about results and also issues and also profits, all sorts of emails. Hi, Ross, and hi, Rush. Welcome. So this session is about Forex Pro Island software. Oh, great. This is Saeed. Hello from India. Yeah, I also have Indian heritage, by the way, and I really love Indian culture. I wish I go there one day. Now, on my screen, you're looking at a black screen, and I've been fiddling around how to get my feed up. It's not working for some reason. I'll try it one more time, but I just wanted to start the my scheduled time. Yes, William, great name. I just wanted to start the schedule and not have people waiting. So I'm just gonna see one more time if I can share my screen now. What I've done is I've done some. I think when the software came out, I I turned it on Cube Forex broker. I used it for like 3 days. The results were amazing. There were I think four, if I remember, for 5 trades which were kind of in loss. But on the other hand, I had 20 other trades which were actually great. They were all positives. But those 5 trades really took most of the profits that were was actually made by the other trades, because the other winning 20 odds trades, the amounts were smaller, but the other 5 losses, the amounts were bigger. So it more or less like it was like coming out the same amount. But I imagine that if you have more winning trades and few losing trades, you're gonna make more money. But uh, but having said that, I mean, not even this MT4 uh, expert advisor, even if not that, if you have one losing trade and if you have 100 winning trades, that bad trade can wipe out all of your profits. And that's the biggest problem I've seen in trading, doing manually or using any software. That one trade can be dangerous, and that's the downside of trading, I suppose. One other issue I've been getting is that on the email, now people are coming to me like I'm like I've made this software, or they're asking me questions. I have no problem answering those questions, but at the same time, I wouldn't have all these questions and answers, and I wouldn't be able to solve them for you. But what I can do is I can I can do these kind of live feeds like I'm doing now, and I can try to answer your questions, and hopefully it can help other people. Some people are having problem with license keys. Some people have used it on 5 different broker accounts or demo accounts, and then there's like, oh, what do we do now? Okay, well, people don't have all the information. Some people bought the software on Macintosh. Some people think they can put it on their mobile phone. All kinds of issues, right? It all comes down to learning and things like that. And that's where my emphasis is. And that's why I have a website, aztradingschool.com. You can sign up with that. Maybe I should increase my video size here. Okay. Yeah, because I don't think I can have the window up. There is like a black box on the side like this. I don't know if it's getting recorded. It might be my video card, because I have this gaming machine with multiple 2 different video cards. And but my apologies, because I should have sorted this out beforehand. So what I was talking about, the auto trading world, and I really like the software. I haven't used it after that, and I actually, to prepare for this live stream, I went back to my Cube Forex's account and I logged in an MT4 trader, and it wouldn't log in. Then I said maybe the password is wrong, and then in the email it says that it's only 14-day trial account. So then I wasn't able to. But if I can log in online, so I can see my results online, and I would be showing that now. But now my screen isn't working. But when I do a follow-up video, I will share that again. So that's no problem. If anybody have any question, please feel free to ask me. So I will just say hello, because it's great to have your name called on live stream. So I was at Saeed. Now hello Mobed, hello Hammond, hello Rush, hello FOMO, is that a real name? Probably not. FOMO is a fear of missing out acronym, right? So crypto FOMO, yeah, great. Okay, talking about crypto, I'm also gonna tell you about something about crypto. The Bitcoin prices are going up again. Okay, so okay, yes, okay. Uh, okay, so Ross is reporting profit over 100 pips profit. Oh, amazing. That's big on one single trade, because in currency world you would have very small pip movements. So 100 pips is a lot, win or loss, either way. Okay, so we have, okay, reinstall drag. Okay, so if some people having issues with the bot stopping to trade, it could be that it's just stopped working for various reasons. I'm not sure why it can be. It hasn't happened to me, and not a lot of people said that. I know some people said it on my email. By the way, if you want to contact me regarding your trading issues, your strategies, uh, maybe not so much about choosing broker, because I don't know which country you're in, stuff like that. But I really like to share my knowledge and learn from brokers. When they ask me a question, it helps me, because if I don't know the answer, I have to look it up, and that's actually teaching me. Now I've released, so I've been selling my foundation course for Forex trading for about $100 now, and it's been doing okay, but I've, because of the virus, I've decided to release that absolutely free. So if you sign up to my mentorship program through my website, you will get the course absolutely free. And the course is not really boring. It's not like big video that you have to watch. None of that. It is video based course, but it's topic based. So one video will be less than 7-8 minutes long. It's gonna have a focus on particular thing, and it's a whole program. There are about like I think 45 videos of the course. Okay, so I'm giving that absolutely free, $100 worth of videos from basic to pro, and it will cover a lot of the issues, because a lot of people who are training today, they have absolutely no training on training. Trust me on that. A lot of people, I think more than 50% people, don't know the basics of trading. And then, I mean, it's like, you download a game and then you just play it. You don't have the training to play the game, and then if you're losing, you don't know the rules of the game, and then you lose. you know I watch a lot of videos on the YouTube, and Mario's is one of them. And so yeah, so I treat trading as a video game. You have to keep at it, and you have to kind of get to the finish line. Okay, so I haven't really seen any questions coming yet. Now, people have been asking me about do I have a trading robot? I said no. Uh, and they say, well, you should make one. Okay, well, then how do I make one? I don't know how I can make one. Seriously. So, and then also, to make a trading robot, it's not very easy. It's not very cheap. And then, I mean, considering I've seen a lot of robots before, I've tested them, tried them, and a lot of companies have tried them, and I don't know what I can do which can make it better or make it work. I don't know. I don't have that kind of expertise. I'm just a trader who trades sometimes. I don't trade a lot. I say as clear as possible. I say things as um, you know honest as possible to help everybody and help myself and help the world. So I mean, I was and to think about it, I mean, I if I do make a robot, which is on my mind, um, get it made. I mean, I have to go through a lot of process, and it's just gonna it's gonna be so much work for me. And then if it doesn't work out, if there are issues, I mean, I think I will get blamed for it, and I don't want that. So I think it's very hard because like it's very easy to I mean, I by the way, I get a lot of comments posted on the channel. Some of them are very hateful on the products and services they're buying, and then if they're not happy, they want to post hate messages. If you have that, I mean, take it up to the people where you got it from, or whoever you have issue with. I mean, don't make my channel, a channel where you're gonna post some things and expect answer. And anger is not a solution to the problem. I mean, and also an example again. I've said that in the beginning, that if you have one losing trade and you have 10 winning trades, and if one losing trade is actually bigger than the amount of loss is bigger than your profits, are you gonna call it a scam, really? Are you? And okay, and also let me just tell you, I have not been trading for the whole last month. Okay, I did one video corona update last week. I haven't done any trading. I've been focusing on learning. I've been focusing on giving trainings. I've been looking at the avenues of making a trading robot. And my focus is not to sell the robot, because if I was to make a robot, I would make it for myself. I would make it so that it works for me. And that's all I want, really. I don't care about anyone else because I care about me, right? So if I can make a robot which can make me money, I'll keep it. I wouldn't want to share it. This is how the world works. But we are far away from that scenario that I have a robot and it's actually making money. I don't have that. I don't have a robot and it doesn't make money because I don't have it. So all I have is I have knowledge, I have trading some background, I have accounting background, my finance background. I'm also learning programming, and the long story short is that we should, before we start complaining, before we start getting angry, we should just think about things and see, look, that we should kind of not use, because you're gonna make bad decisions based on anger. You're gonna take bad trades. You're gonna just lose. Okay, and I've been through the road of anger. Okay, and it doesn't work. So in the last maybe 8-9 years, I don't even get angry, and if something bothers me, I just take a walk. It's just like, okay, whatever. But coming back to the trading world rather than personal world. So I am interested in making a robot, and I would like it to work. But the thing is this: I've looked into the time it takes, the money it takes, the expertise it takes. It's a lot, and I think I don't have all of it. So I'm coming up with a plan, and also I do have enough money to live for probably the rest of my life if I do nothing. Okay, and that's honesty, because I don't spend a lot. I don't flash buy things. I don't go on big holidays. I've traveled enough countries in the world. I don't want to be traveling anywhere. And after the corona, I really don't want to go anywhere, really. So me, I don't need anything. And if I have more money in my account, if I sell the robot which I make, um, I'm just gonna get more money for it, right? And I don't want money, because I have enough of it. I don't need it. So what I want to do, I want to learn about artificial intelligence. I want to learn about more trading. I want to learn about automation. I want to learn all these things, and that's what I've devoted my life to. And I hope I can show that through my channel in the coming time. Most One of the most difficult parts have been for me to come up on the camera and keep the website updated. I also have a book, a non-book I call it, because it's not really a book, on trading, and I had to take it down because I wasn't happy with it. I need to make it more simpler and more easier and less pages, because a lot of people, they get books downloaded on their computer, but they never read it. They don't read books. So the item I have on my part of my training program is a non-book, so it's not a book, so you don't have to read much or a lot. Okay, so now I don't see any questions. I've answered a lot of questions regarding the FX Pro bot. um, I think it's a great program. I think it's unfortunate that the timing has been like this, that the markets are really bad because of the virus. um, but at the same time, some people have made money with it. You have to, in my last video, if you watch my update, the virus update, I do not believe that you can just push a button and then come back and ask for more money. I don't think trading works like that for people. It may be working for some investment companies, but even they are working, I mean, if you don't want to do a hard work, if you don't want to do any work, you know I think trading is not for you, because, and personally, I love these auto trading things. I love them. Okay, so I have asked few questions. Okay, sorry, because there's some live feed and I'm trying to talk through my thoughts. I'm gonna scroll up and then see. Okay, so right. So somebody asked me how my bot has performed in the last 3 weeks. So when I started, because Bill, you came in a bit later, I answered that question, that I only used it in the first 3-4 days, and then I stopped using it because I have more things to do, and also I don't feel now. I used demo accounts, okay, so it worked out okay, and my results were good. I had about 20 winning trades and about 4 or 5 losing trades. I haven't traded much in the last few weeks because I've been just relaxing and learning. I don't trade all the time. I don't trade every day, and I think we should take the same approach with trading, because think more, trade less. uh, I mean, try to have more winning trades, less winning trades than trading constantly. I mean, it's not like you're gonna go to work every day and sit there and trade every day. Okay, you can do that, but you don't have to push that button. You don't have to say buy or sell. You don't have to do that. You can just watch. You can just watch the chart. You can just sit there all day and just look at it, and the next day take one trade or two trades and make enough money for that day and the day before. So I believe in that kind of trading, um, because it's like drinking. You have alcohol and you have a drinking problem, and you keep drinking it, and now that you're drunk, you think the only problem to solve it is drink even more. And to get sober, it takes a while to come back to your senses, and that's what I call over trading. Okay, and a lot of people who lose sometimes, that might be a case. I personally really like the FX Forex Pro trading bot. I've seen good reviews, I've seen bad reviews, and there's always some kind of vested interests in these reviews, because people want traffic to their website, people want to recommend something or something else, or whatever. I mean, that's what it is, and that's what my interest is as well. I want people to follow my channel, buy my course, join my signal service. And now I'm considering to make a trading robot. And I mean, yeah, I also mentioned I don't want to charge any money for it, you know, uh, but I might charge little money for it to get compensated for my time, effort, and investment. But at the same time, I'm not really about all, just money, 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 and win, win, win. I think we should just not think about profit. Think about the situation, and I mean, who has seen the future? Nobody. If that's just not possible. Okay, I don't believe in that. I actually, honestly, I believe in probability trading. Probability trading is just like, okay, close your eyes and pick one. That's it. It's the most easiest form you will ever find. I tried it last year. It did not work. Okay, I lost a lot of money, like 5,000 euros. I was doing martingale trading strategy, and I lost a lot of money. But hey, it's okay. I tried it, right? I tried it, and I tried it on live account because I knew, because I worked out on theoretically that I am going to make money, and I was making money, but I did lose it because you need a lot of money to win the martingale system. Okay, so let's look at some of the questions. Okay, in the US we have crappy regulations. FIFO. Okay, so FIFO is not, I don't think it's a regulation. I mean, don't get me wrong, or might be wrong. I don't think FIFO is a regulation. It's just it's just a fulfilling order fulfilling method. That's all it is. And whoever created it, it's just for their own interest. Okay. I don't live in the US, and I don't think if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I do know healthcare is suffering in US, and that's very unfortunate because the only thing matters in life is health. And if you don't have health, then you're no good. You're no good to me. You're no good to anyone. Okay, so right, so we are in now, yes, about 22 minutes. Okay, so I've got to run. I hope I've answered some of the questions people have had about freeze issues. Maybe some issues are happening with their computer, or that's at least what I've been told by the supports of the FX Pro. Another issue I'm getting is right now, using any kind of, okay, so let's talk about back testing. Okay, because I am working through to create my own robot, and the developers are telling me that whenever I come up with a strategy, they can put it in some code, and then I can put it on my computer. That's great. But back testing is about taking a historic data and putting your robot code as if it was a few years ago, like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. Let's not go that far. 5 years ago it was there, and see how it performs. That's what back testing is. But you know what? Back testing has a flaw. A flaw is that when your robot doesn't perform well in a back test environment, you go and change the code. You change the strategy so it wins. So that means you can back test a trading robot to perform very well for 5 years because you've modified it to work it that way. Okay? But tell me, can that be future tested or not? It's not. It's not possible. But what can be done is that after 3 months, let's say, you look at what happened in the 3 months and then modify the code again to hope that last 3 months changes have helped the future. But like, I don't believe in the future fortune telling machines, and that's why I'm very skeptical on creating my own robot, because I think it's just I'm gonna waste my time, and it's too hard for me. But I might do a follow-up live video tomorrow, same time, same place, and share with my viewers. And if you're watching this after the live session is over, please comment on the channel, Please comment what your thoughts are. Please give me ideas, and I will involve all of the people who have signed up to my program in my mentorship program. I have free mentorship program on easytrading.school.com. So what that program is, it's absolutely free. And what you get with that, you get trading videos, you get updates through emails, you get news, and you get trading strategies, and you get to learn. And that's all it is. That's all it is. There's nothing, superficial or something mysterious about it. It just is. That's all it is. And if you join that, it's absolutely free. And so when I make the robot, I'm gonna involve all the people who are signed up to my mentorship program, and I'm gonna see what their issues are. I'm gonna see how. And also, guys and girls, please email me and tell me about your strategies, because it will be interesting to understand what people are doing out there to make money. What are other people. So if you're in the program, you just kind of reply to the confirmation email and just tell me about your situation. Now please don't tell me a lot of irrelevant things, because it takes me time to read emails and answer you. So just keep it simple, just few lines, and just so I can understand, and just boom, I answer you. And if you want to give me idea about robot, what I should be in there, what it shouldn't be in there, let me know, and then I will forward that to the developers and work with them, and then try to see what I can come up with. I will try it on myself first, and then see if I want to share it, and I will share it for free, I hope. Okay. Because as I said, there's time, energy, cost involved to it, but hopefully I'm not going to charge a lot of money. So that's all I have for today, and let me see if I can see any questions here. Okay, so it says, hi Keith, why I have been directed to you via Andrew for problem solving. Well, I don't know. Whoever directed you to me, ask them that question. And this is one of the problems I'm having. People posting comments on my channel or sending me emails. I mean, if you have a particular question which I cannot really answer for you, why are you wasting your time? Because it's not gonna get through my comment filter box. And a lot of my comments have been blocked by the filter program. Okay. They consider them as spam. Okay, so if you're gonna spam email or spam comment, it's not gonna get through to me. And if somebody is telling you to come to me, that's great, because they probably think that I'm helpful. So that's nice, but so that's maybe positive thing for me. Okay, so almost blown my account with this software. Okay, so I mean, if you're just joining this live session, it's possible to blow an account with any software. To be honest, I must have tried so many programs, robots, and they work for a while, then they stop, and then they probably figure out that's too hard. So it's just I believe in mixed trading. If you have a trading bot, don't expect it to just set it and leave it. Do something with it. See if you can change some settings in there. See if you can try different hours. See if you can try different market conditions. See if you can try in different pairs. See if you have different pairs, robots, expert advisor like this one has. See which one is working better. Because the thing is, when the bot is created, it's not tested on all platforms, and not all platforms are the same. Okay, it is for MT4 platform, that's same platform, but the brokers are different, the countries are different, the pricing are different, and I don't know. So I don't believe in fortune telling thing. I just believe it, just take a chance, and just that's what robot is for, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna thank everybody for joining me, and I was just meant to keep this live update very short, but it just keeps going on. I'm also planning to have some people come up on my channel and do like a interview session. And if you girls or guys, okay, I keep saying girls, and there are not many girl viewers on the channel, but I just like to include them because I like to have a balance, okay? And if you watch any of my videos, I will say, hey guys and girls, even though there are no girl viewers, but I just like it. That's the way the person I am. I'm very neutral, and so guys and girls, if you want to come on my channel as a trader to be interviewed and interview me and talk about things, and I would really have you on. And email me, join my mentorship program through the website easytradingschool.com. Email me at contact@easytradingschool.com. Tell me, and then we get started, okay? Hopefully I'll have some people coming on my channel and talk about trading. Trading is the way to go. I made about $20,000 in March, and I didn't trade after that. I was like, oh, it's a lot for me, so I stopped. We don't have to trade every day. So good luck, and let me see if I can pick up last question. Okay, right. Okay, so I will answer some of the questions after the live feed because it's very hard to read all the questions. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching. Do subscribe and keep winning, and I will see you again. Thank you so much.